Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 28. Temperature and Body Fluid Regulation. Let's start. Dash is the loss of heat from a surface as water molecules escape in the form of a gas. Conduction, convection, evaporation, radiation. Correct answer: evaporation. Animals cope with temperature fluctuations by occupying a place in the environment where the temperature remains constant and compatible with their physiological processes, adapting their physiological processes to the range of temperatures in which the animals are capable of living, generating heat and trapping heat internally to maintain a constant body temperature despite fluctuations in the external environment temperature. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. In general, reptiles, fishes, and amphibians are endotherms, ectotherms, homeotherms. All of the above. Correct answer: ectotherms. Which of the following animals are capable of endothermy? Snakes, bumblebees, beetles, toads. Correct answer: bumblebees. A state of summer dormancy in which breathing rates and metabolism decrease is called hibernation, torpor, estivation, conduction. Correct answer: estivation. At night, hummingbirds enter a sleep-like state called estivation, hibernation, daily torpor, sleep deprivation. Correct answer: daily torpor. In order to lose heat, birds pant, utilize gular flutter, sleep. Both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. The hormonal triggering of heat production is called non-shivering thermogenesis, shivering thermogenesis, gular flutter, panting. Correct answer: non-shivering thermogenesis. A specialized type of fat found in newborn mammals, in mammals that live in cold climates, and in mammals that hibernate is called dash fat. Red, brown, yellow, green. Correct answer: brown. Badgers, bears, and possums dash during winter months in cold climates. Hibernate, estivate, enter prolonged sleep, enter torpor. Correct answer: enter prolonged sleep. If the osmotic concentration of the body fluids of an animal equals that of the medium in which an animal is living, the animals are termed an osmoregulator, osmoconformer, osmotolerant, osmoresistant. Correct answer: osmoconformer. Contractile vacuoles are found in protozoa and sponges, metazoan invertebrates, vertebrates. All of the above. Correct answer: protozoa and sponges. Metanephridia. Open to the outside of an animal, open internally to the body fluids, are multicellular. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Antennal or green glands are found in crayfish and crabs, isopods, insects, mollusks. Correct answer: crayfish and crabs. Where would you look for coxal glands? In spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. In crayfish and crabs. In vertebrates. In sponges. Correct answer: in spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. The dash appears only briefly in many vertebrate embryos. Pronephros, mesonephros, metanephros, protonephros. Correct answer: pronephros. Most adult teleos fishes have dash kidneys. Pronephric, mesonephric, metanephric, polynephric. Correct answer: mesonephric. Reptiles, birds, and mammals all possess dash kidneys. Pronephric, mesonephric, metanephric, polynephric. Correct answer: metanephric. The functional unit of the metanephric kidney is the countercurrent exchange mechanism, nephron, glomerulus, loop of the nephron. Correct answer: nephron. The dash runs between the mammalian kidney and the bladder. Urethra, ureter, nephridium, nephron. Correct answer: ureter.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.